Does putting a stick in a water dish actually help? Let's find out.
Thank you so much for all your comments. So many of you have said that I need to put a rock or stick in there so that there's no danger of the birds or anything gonna fall in there and not be able to get out. So we're gonna do that today. So as you can see, we are in the desert, Baja. It is hot and there is no water. So here we go, let's clean it out. So of course we'll give it to the tree that I know likes the water, and in the desert that's one thing. You can't just give water to everything because it's so used to not getting water. And I'll give it a vinegar rinse. This is just vinegar. Wipe. Okay. Nice clean bowl. Okay, now we are going to look for a stick or a rock. Actually, I think I know where we have some rocks. These were gathered from the riverbeds. Solid. Let's do like maybe 2 of them or 3. Let's do this little guy too. Okay. And there we go.
Yes, it definitely works. And there's one creature who keeps coming back. Stay tuned to find out.